Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Having a good day? I sure am. So, let's look at the day. So, it looks like I'm up in the aftermarket and I'm up today overall. So, it looks like a good day for me. Hopefully, you guys had a good day too. So, this past week has been extraordinarily gracious. 61% return. That's insane. That's a great return. Let's look at a month. All right, we have a 160% return in the last month. Why? Answer's pretty simple. Crypto. All right, let's take a look. We've got some stocks. It's my dividend investing portfolio. This is the one I just started not that long ago. You guys can check out my channel. But the main focus here is crypto. All right, let's look at all these. Bitcoin Cash. Over the past month, it has gone up quite a bit, 119%. That's pretty good. All right, you can see my average cost and the value. Not that impressive, but okay, it's going up. We have some Bitcoin SV. All right. Also, in the last month, marginal performance. Cost, okay, there's some profit there. It's only 160% return. Okay, well, that's pretty darn good. All right, let's take a look. Keep going. Bitcoin. All right. Wish I would have got in earlier. Wish I would have got more. But here we are. Average cost, 33,000. Portfolio diversity, let's take a look at 71% return. Pretty good. Pretty good. Over the month. Still pretty good. All right. Now, Doge. Dogecoin's a little bit of a different story. I've been investing into that for a while. Over the last month, it's returned 1,000%. That's pretty good. All right. And Doge is going to be going up. Elon Musk is going to be on Saturday Night Live. And we'll see what happens. So you can see the average return here, 8,200%. That's pretty good. Yeah, 8,300% now. Looks like it's on a little bit of a run. Maybe. We'll see. Hopefully it'll get to $1 pretty soon. Ethereum Classic. Okay, well, we had a bit of a run. Okay, over the last week, up 260%. Over the last month, 554%. That's insane. Okay, so we hit a high of $204. And I did take my initial investment off the table, just to let you guys know. And I'm holding the rest of this for a while. And you can see now I'm about 1,765% return. That's pretty much better than a lot of stocks, especially in my dividend portfolio. So you can say it's doing pretty well. All right, let's keep going. What else we got? Ethereum. Ethereum's been nuts. Okay, look at the return over in the past month. Up $1,500. Whoa, no way. And yeah, I got a few Ethereum here. That's pretty good, right? So, and you can see the return on investment. Not bad. 469% return. Yeah, pretty good. I'll take it. All right. And Litecoin. Okay, over the last month, it's been up and down, a little bit of a run. Pretty good overall. Have a little bit in there. 484% return. That's pretty darn good. So overall, crypto has been a really good investment for me in Robinhood. Check out the link below if you guys aren't into Robinhood crypto yet. There's going to be a lot of upgrades coming. The wallets are coming. I don't know when exactly or have a timeline, but they assure me wallets are coming. So you can move your crypto wherever you want. But right now, I'm locked in. I'm not really buying at this level. at least in Robinhood. I am buying in crypto.com. I bought a little on Coinbase. Alright? A couple different platforms to invest in crypto. Go check out my other videos. So hopefully you guys have got in early, like I did, for some of these. And I wish I would have put a whole lot more money in there. Because this number, if it had another 0 on there, that'd be alright with me. But you know, take what I can get. What do you guys think about these coins? I think it's going to the moon. I think Ethereum Classic is taking a little bit of a rest right now. Right? Had a huge run up, right, over the last week. So it's taking a bit of a pause. Okay? And we're going to look for some signals for it to break to the upside. Not sure where that's going to be, but it looks like it might be not yet. Depends. Let me know what you guys think. You can see here it's got maybe some support. And it's definitely in consolidation. We'll see what happens. Now Doge, that has had quite the run. Alright, over the last 3 months, since right about here, right? April, beginning of April time frame, and it just took off. So that's pretty cool. I really do hope it gets to $1. But, disclaimer, when it hits 95 cents, I'm selling $1,000 worth. Just to get some profit off the table. Okay? So you can definitely see I have an order in here. It's placed. I placed it the other day. 95 cents, selling $1,000. Okay. Not a huge deal. You can see I have 21 in there now. It runs up to $1. I take some money off the table. So I'll take some profits. It's a good deal. I'll probably regret it later, and when Dogecoin hits $10 a coin. But, you know what? That's okay. I'll still have some left. It'll be okay. And Ethereum Classic. Alright, my plan is to sell $100 worth every time it goes up $100. Right? You can see my next order that I placed. Oh, this is the 400 one. Alright. You can see I placed a few orders. This must be the first one. When it hits $200, I'm selling $100 worth. Or thereabouts. At the time I placed the order, that's what it amounted to. So we'll see. Anyway, that's my plan for Ethereum Classic. I know I probably should dollar cost average in even deeper, but I do want to take some profits here. And I'm going to turn some crypto into stocks. Maybe not the best thing to do, but I like dividends. And if I could move these cryptos over to, say, Celsius or crypto.com wallet and earn interest, I would do it. But I can't because it's in Robinhood. So use your own judgment. Wallet should be coming. Tell me what you guys think of these coins. I think there's a lot of upside potential in this bull market still, before the crypto winter hits. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not real convinced that the crypto winter is really going to hit, because there's a lot more people interested in crypto now. There's a lot of big players in there, and more every day. So, be sure you like and subscribe this video. Keep up to date on the crypto world and what's going on. And check out my link below for Robinhood, crypto and stocks, dividend investing. Go check out my channel. Hope you guys like it and subscribe. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.